Hey, everyone has seen, you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by bills and bank statements. You're tired of traditional banks, their hidden fees, and their confusing interfaces. You've heard about Monzo, a digital bank that promises to be different. But is it really as good as it seems? So, the big question is Monzo a good bank? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Monzo? Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in the UK in 2015. It's known for its sleek app, fee-free international spending, and round-the-clock customer support. But what sets it apart from traditional banks? No hidden fees. One of the biggest advantages of Monzo is that it doesn't charge any hidden fees. No monthly fees, no ATM fees, and no foreign transaction fees. This can save you a lot of money, especially if you travel frequently. Real-time spending notifications. Monzo sends you instant notifications every time you make a transaction. This helps you keep track of your spending and avoid overspending. Pot features. Monzo's pot features allow you to set aside money for specific goals, like a vacation or a new car. This can help you stay disciplined and save money. Section 2. Monzo's pros and cons. While Monzo has many advantages, it's not perfect. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Pros. Fee-free international spending. Real-time spending notifications. Pot features. Easy-to-use app. Excellent customer support. Cons. Limited physical presence. No overdraft protection in some countries. Can be challenging for older users who prefer traditional banking. Section 3. Is Monzo right for you? Now that we've explored the pros and cons, let's discuss whether Monzo is right for you. It's important to consider your individual needs and preferences. If you're a frequent traveler, Monzo's fee-free international spending makes it a great choice. If you want to save money, the pot features can help you stay disciplined and reach your financial goals. If you prefer digital banking, Monzo's app-based approach is perfect for those who don't like dealing with physical branches. If you need overdraft protection, Monzo may not be the best option, as it doesn't offer overdraft protection in all countries. Section 4. Alternatives to Monzo. If Monzo doesn't seem like the right fit, there are other digital banks to consider. Revolut. Similar to Monzo, Revolut offers fee-free international spending and a variety of other features. Starling Bank. Another popular digital bank in the UK, Starling Bank is known for its flexible savings accounts. N26. A German digital bank that has expanded to several European countries, N26 offers a range of features, including budgeting tools and investment options. Conclusion. So, is Monzo a good bank? The answer is, it depends. If you're looking for a fee-free, digital-first bank with a great app, Monzo could be a great option. However, it's important to consider your individual needs and preferences before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.